What's the meaning of agate? Agate. 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 Agate is a type of mineral which is often used for decorative purposes. It is a form of chalcedony and is typically characterized by its banded appearance. These bands are often made up of contrasting colors and can create striking patterns when the agate is cut and polished. Agate is prized for its beauty and is commonly used in jewelry, carvings, and other decorative items. Its popularity has led to many different varieties of agate being discovered and named after the location where they were found or their unique features.